How to enable standby mode on iPhone iOS 17. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down. You will find the option of standby. Open it. Now you have to toggle on for this option of standby. Likewise, toggle on for this option of night mode. Also, you can enable for this option of show preview on tap only and show notifications. After you toggle on for all these options, you are good to go. Standby mode works with any compatible iPhone that's charging and rotated to a horizontal orientation. You can power the iPhone with a MagSafe charging dock, a standard QI-enabled wireless charging pad, or even a standard lightning cable. Standby mode will automatically turn on when both requirements are met, and your iPhone lock screen will change into a widescreen status hub with the time, date, and temperature. So this is how you can enable standby mode on iPhone iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.